Learned helplessness is a psychological concept developed by Martin Seligman in the 1960s. It describes a state where individuals, after facing repeated negative experiences, become passive and believe they can't change their situation. Seligman's research on dogs showed that those subjected to unavoidable shocks stopped trying to escape, even when they could. This concept applies to humans too, explaining why people sometimes don't take action to improve their situations, even when they can. People make internal, stable, and global attributions for their helplessness. For instance, a student who fails repeatedly might believe they are inherently unintelligent and that this won't change. This leads to an expectation of failure, reinforcing inaction. Helplessness is closely linked to depression and anxiety, causing sadness, low self-esteem, and constant worry about negative outcomes. Cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, helps individuals challenge their perceptions of helplessness, regaining control and agency. Early intervention can prevent severe mental health issues. Educators can create supportive environments to empower students, while employers can engage employees by involving them in decision-making and skill development. Understanding learned helplessness helps us develop strategies to counteract its effects.